Hi guys, so today we are going to see the different types of floors in our Revit. So for that go to Revit, open a new project. So we have opened our software, right? So in the home or architectural tab we can see floors, right? So this is our regular floor, right? You can select over here. So this is a regular floor. If you go to 3D, go to realistic. So this is our floor. If you change this to beam and block, so it will be like this, right? So this is the normal architectural floor. So now we will see the another floor, right? So that is nothing but the structural floor used for the structural drawings, like if you place any structural drawings. So there we will be seeing this structural floor, right? Okay. So if we go to realistic, go to 3D, so here we can see our structural floor, right? So we will select this one, go to edit type, click on edit. So here we're going to check the category as concrete, right? Concrete casting, CO2. Okay. Right. So here we can see the concrete, right? So this is the first one. So if you select this, because here we can select, right? I'm going to select this concrete metal deck. So here we're gonna have the metal decks, right? So it will be not visible to us, right? So now we'll go to level 1, go to view, section. So if you run section through this, if you open this, so here we can see, right? If we go to this to find, go to wireframe. So here we can see, right, the concrete. So if we select this one and if we select this beam and block, so here we can see beam and block as applied. So if we see again, go to here, so this is a commercial. So here we can see. So if we select here, go to here, here we have all the membranes, right? So if we select this metal deck, go on edit, here we have the metal deck, right? So here we have the, can select the standalone deck. Here this is the standard deck, right? So it will select like this. Here we have all the profiles, right? Select here. This is the form deck. Go to edit tab. Edit. So see, like that. Go to level 1. Now we will go to our structure. go to beam system. So here you can see, you can select the beam types, right? So we have this one only. You can select the direction. So here we have the beam direction. So we'll select the beam direction. So with the pick lines and these lines. So the fixing layout, we can select the fixed numbers. So here you can select this. You can select 1.2 meters. On apply and finish. Go to beam system, boundary line, select here, beam direction over this line. Okay. So if we select the beam direction, it's going to give us 2 meters. So it's W1. Okay. So it will be created, right? So our dimensions are in mm, so that's why we are unable to see, right? So here we can see these are the beams, right? Here we have some metals. We can select this as concrete also, right? Okay. So here like this we can create our slab, right? This is a structural slab. So this is with shadings. Go to medium, we can see here if we go to find, we will be setting like this, right? So this is the, like here you can see the structural slab, right? And we have the isolated walls also, right? This is a foundation slab edge. We go to foundation slab edge. So if we go to here, now here we can see our, here's the, we have the slab edge divided, which is the, so we can select this one also bit. So here we can see how this slab has, it is the foundation slab edge, right? If you go to home, another we have all this slab edge, right? This is the slab by face. So it won't be, it will selecting one place, right? we can select the same material for all this, right? Go to edit. So it is how we can do a floorings, right? We can turn this to wood construction also, right? Floor with deck, beam block. We go to over here. So if we go to edit, go to edit. So here we have the structure. So go to wood. Okay. Okay. So this is one type of wood, right? So this is black wood. So this is our casting C2. So going to select this one. Okay. Okay. So here we can see our wood flooring, right? So we can select this. You can also load this, right? Go to load. Go to structural framing. Here we have the wood. So here we have the lumber selenium laminated. So this I'm going to take this column and okay. So here you can see it has changed it, right? If you select your beam. So here we have, so like this we can change our beam, right? So if I select this, so this time go to edit, click on load, you go to structural framing wood. So we're going to take this one, and I'm going to take this one. And okay. So here we can see. So it has changed it, right? So this is the column. So like that, we can add all the. So here we have all the structural beams, everything by way. So like this, we can create a different types of floor slabs in our Revit software. So we can see the section also, right? Go to level 1, and if you go to this section, we go to realistic. So here you can see, you go to find. So you can see, so this is a wooden frame, right? So like this, we can draw different types of floors in our Revit software. So this is with slab edge. So this is we have some concrete basing over here, right? So we have different types of structural columns also, right? So we go to here, we can also place different types, right? So this is how we can edit our floors and change everything, the diameter, the offset, the material we can change here. So if you go to render and if we see this, so similarly draft I am taking as medium on render. So it is going to render, right? So this is a simple wooden concrete cast in situ floor, right? So if you are done with, if you set the level to high, it will more clarity, right? So this is how we can design a floor, structural floor in our Revit. Thank you.